It's getting late in the year, so I decided to make clones out of my marigolds, and I even experimented with a zinnia. I'm going to show you how to do that real easily. You use a container, some garden soil, and maybe I won't fill this up, so it'll be a little tight together. Make some holes like that. Gonna come over here to this awesome blooming marigold. And what I did was I cut one of these off. See, it's right between the, chop that off. Then you simply slice it. Where's it at? Put a little slice in it. Put it in the soil. I'm gonna get some more. I'll show you how this is done. I really love the red zinnias. So I'm gonna find one in here to chop. Let's go for a little bigger piece, something like that. There's that zinnia. Simply cut that stem. Make it look like that. Shove it in the hole. And there you go. You could do that all day long, and a little late in the year to plant seeds, so that's what I've been doing lately. Starting to clone them. Get some more blooms. Hope you enjoyed this awesome short on how to make your free clones. Thank you. Have a wonderful day, and don't forget to subscribe. Saturate those. Very important to water these every day.